the second main function, that is controlling figures aesthetics. See, we just have discussed already that Matplotlib is highly customizable, but it also has the effect that it is very inconvenient, as it can take a long time to adjust all necessary parameters to get your desired visualization. So in Seaborn, we can use customized themes and a high level interface for controlling the appearance of Matplotlib figures. And see here, dear friends, here I have just given you some code snippets which creates a simple line plot in Matplotlib. So let I just first include the necessary modules to just have the libraries. Yeah, it's done. And the main thing is controlling figure aesthetics. So I just want to give something in to draw the lines, and kindly have a look of it. This is what the exact plot with Matplotlib default parameter. See here, dear friends, we are just having x as a for one axis, and x2 as another axis, whereas we are just having this both as the class group A and group B. So we have just created this inclusion of legend, and when we are making it through Seaborn, okay, here what we are just going to do, just both are the same function, both are the same command, code snippets also the same. One and only thing is we are just making use of the Seaborn's that is the plot libs. We are just going to include it, and with the simply calling the set functionality, how this code is changing. Kindly just look over it. We are just getting a different, not it is a different, and the exact Seaborn line plot, and which is just to give you a that exactly the categorizing of this Seaborn and Matplotlib parameter. It is actually making it into two groups. Okay, the first group contains a parameter for the aesthetic of the plot, while the second group scales various elements of the plots so that it can be easily used to different contexts, such as visualization, that are used for presentation and posters. So here it is very, very useful for us to give a beautiful presentation and make it different.